Update on the planting at the front of the property. We have the Rovada red currant over here with the forget-me-nots, wine cap mycelium, which will make edible mushrooms. We have the wine cap mycelium underneath the wood chips in contact with soil. Here we have a hydrangea, which was planted just on top of a little bit of soil. It's very compacted, the soil underneath, so I didn't dig down much for this one. I dug a little bit for that one, for the Rovada currant, but for this I just exposed a little bit of soil, which was kind of clayish, and I just sat the roots of the hydrangea on top, and then I added wood chips. If I had more loose soil I should have put more at the base, but we'll see how it does just like that, with mostly wood chips as covering. Hopefully they'll decompose well in time and the hydrangea will develop well. And here we have the chives, which will hopefully deter the deer from munching on the red currant. In time we'll bring some more wood chips to cover the area here, and we'll plant more edible plants or more pretty plants, instead of having just grass here which needs cutting from time to time. It'll be nice here where we have the address of the property, especially for when people will come to deliver packages. It'll be a nice welcome, and we can pick red currants in the future and enjoy them. Very delicious, one of my favorite berries. So yeah, hopefully we'll see. I watered well because we'll have a couple of lovely sunny days in the area here in southwest Scotland, which is lovely after so much rain. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Underneath the chives there is some loose soil. I loosened it a bit more in there, so they should be well. That's why it's a bit of a dip in here. The loose soil was much lower, so I just had to put the wood chips on top around. Didn't want to cover the base of the chives too much with wood chips. Little planting here, we'll see how it does. Keep an eye on it in the future. Love these pretty forget-me-not flowers that just popped in the driveway. I think I put seeds last year, and they just showed up in various spots in the garden where I spreaded the seeds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.